We're talking about all this because Chief Meteorologist David Karnes tells us it's about to get interesting.
Yes, and it is already cold out there. David.
Yeah, we've got the cold air in place, and we're going to get even colder air in place as we move through the weekend into next week, and that's going to be mixed in with some precipitation, so it's kind of a tricky dance. I do think we're going to get more rain than anything else, but let's go through it. Through next week, we still have the abnormally cold air that's going to be in place through next week, but we will also have below normal temperatures even the week after, and probably the third week as well. So we're going to get really cold next week. Lows will be in the upper teens, low 20s. Highs will be in the 30s. And then the next week, looks like it might warm up a little bit, but temperatures will still be well below normal with lows in the 20s. So our headlines, Friday morning is going to be interesting. We have a front moving through that's going to bring us in some reinforcing cold air for the weekend. As it's moving through, we may have a light wintry mix on Friday morning, and then behind that, it's going to be blustery. We'll see winds of 10 to 20 miles per hour out of the northwest tomorrow afternoon. Wind gusts will be up to 30 miles per hour. Cold and dry on Saturday. In the wake of that front, it's going to be a cold start to your Sunday, and then we'll see it beginning to warm up a little bit as we head into Sunday night before the bottom drops out on Monday afternoon. And with Sunday into Monday, cold rain anticipated for the most part. 47 degrees Chattanooga right now, 41 Cleveland, and 40 in Lafayette. Looking at our future cast, there's the high pressure keeping us dry right now. There's the front sliding through tomorrow morning. Again, maybe a light wintry mix, mainly just light drizzles in the valley. Might see some snow trying to mix in with some rainfall on the plateau and up in the Blue Ridge. And in the Blue Ridge, it might even change over into some light snow showers by about 8 a.m. briefly before everything clears out and that windy weather takes over. Now, Saturday, again, just cold and dry. Lows in the 20s, highs in the 40s. And then I'm going to add the temperatures in for Sunday because the temperatures are going to be kind of wonky Sunday into Monday. We're going to start out cold. Notice the rain showers off to the west. If we get some of those rain showers moving in early enough, say before 10, 11 o'clock, then some of those rain showers may even try to change over into some freezing rain in our northern communities. We'll have to look out for that. That, again, is if that rain moves in early enough. Mainly what we will see through the day Sunday is just going to be cold rain showers. Now, 6 o'clock, not going to see much of anything as our next batch of rain prepares to move through. It'll be cold in the low to mid 40s. And notice it actually warms up as we head through the evening into midnight. We're actually going to be at 46 degrees at midnight. So what that means is this is all just rain that's going to be sliding through overnight into Monday morning. Heavy rain at times. This is 3 a.m. on Monday, and then we'll clear out after 8 a.m., but temperatures will be dropping through the day on Monday. So with temperatures in the 20s and 30s Monday afternoon, we could see some remnant moisture producing some very light snow showers in some of the higher elevations. Behind that, frigid air, highs in the 30s, lows in the teens and low 20s, take over as we head into next week. So snowfall amounts maybe up to an inch at most. That might be a little bit aggressive. Quick look at our storm alert 7-day forecast. Light spring, wintry mix in the morning on Friday. Very cold on Saturday. Cold over the weekend, and then we're going to have that chance of cold rain changing over to some light mountain snow on Monday afternoon, and then frigid air takes over after that, guys.